Welcome everyone. I would like to thank everyone for coming for this event, and we're glad to start our alert workshop. The main objective is this workshop is to exchange knowledge, sharing experience, and having, let's say, that a real experience to be exposed and shared between all affiliates from petrochemical, oil and gas, and even power and water. My name is Al-Muhannad Al-Jahani. I'm the General Manager of IGS Saudi Arabia, and I would like to start with a brief about IGS. IGS is an integrated global service solution. We are an engineering service protection company where we have been developed different solutions and different criteria.
As much as possible from the plant. But the maintenance people will say if you try to produce more from a fired heater, particularly I'll talk about fired heater, you will damage my radiant section tubes because you are firing harder, my tube metal temperature will increase, my decoking cycle will increase.
To absorb energy and transport it to the convection section.
Lose it. Practically the high acidity ingredients are migrating into the drill. So it loses its high acidity value.
Of our technologies for thermal efficiency, we started with tube deck to avoid leaning, where we go onto the attic of the furnace, right, in the top with the sensation cleaning.
To protect your substrate, reliability is the key, because you as the operator are relying on that protective layer, that barrier, to stop any degradation of your substrate, to stop any material wastage that can lead to damage, risk of loss of containment.
What our experience has shown us, that traditional thermal spray technologies suffer from inherent weaknesses of the process. But high velocity thermal spray,
the door with the same refractory type which already is specified in the furnace. So we bring the door alongside with the refractory and we install it after doing tests.
We're getting dilution during welding, and then the corrosion.
Every crack can be fixed online, or we need some advice on this.
Having sharing experience, the main objective for this session is to share the experience, the feedback, and exchange this knowledge.